Hello friends, my name is Radhamasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the types of 5G. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in mobile networking and technologies. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. Also, you can follow me on the Facebook page and Instagram as well. Friend, 5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It's a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G network. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everywhere and everything together, including machines, objects and devices. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi gigabits peak data speeds, ultra low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability and more uniform user experience to more users. Higher performance and improved efficiency empower new user experiences and connects new industries. The fifth generation of cellular technology 5G is not a single flavor. In fact, 5G is more like uh, basically mix of three flavors with new advanced capabilities available to add on to each type. The different types of 5G comprise the various frequencies on which 5G will operate, dubbed low band, mid-band and high-band 5G. The distinctions between these flavors relate to the different characteristics of each spectrum, according to Lindsay Notwell, Senior Vice President of 5G Strategy and Global Career Operations, networking vendor based in India, recently acquired by Ericsson. The respective characteristics of each 5G type are not inherently new. They build upon capabilities of past generation and aim to solve problems those generations created. However, the different types of 5G are notable because they enable advanced applications and techniques that make 5G unique for enterprise networks. Instead of viewing 5G as one sole flavor, we can compare the different 5G types to the flavors of basically different a type of ice cream made up of three separate flavors in one container. Low band, mid band and high band 5G are similar to vanilla, chocolate and strawberry respectively. Low band 5G. Friend, low band is the closest 5G spectrum to 4G and 4G LTE and operates on the closest frequencies to TV and radio stations. That's why it is vanilla. It's classic, everyone familiar with it, and it's fairly basic in terms of advanced frequencies. This does not mean low band 5G is not worthwhile, though this type of 5G can travel long distances. Notwell said, and when combined with mid band and high band frequencies, low band 5G will be 10 or more times faster than 4G speeds TV stations used and some still use. Similar frequency bands because of the band's abilities to cover large areas. The Federal Commission claimed low band 5G will range from 600 GHz to 900 GHz. However, low band 5G is not as fast as the other flavors, which is why it can travel so far. Low band 5G has a low bandwidth. It can travel far because it has a lower capacity to carry data than higher frequencies. It's a sort of two-edged sword. The low band has great characteristics, reach, frequency and penetration, but is just for not very wide. T-Mobile dipped its toes into low band and midband 5G first in its 5G planning and uses 600 MHz spectrum. Verizon and AT&T took an opposite approach, launching their 5G strategies with high band spectrum. However, all three major US carriers will offer the combination of flavors by the end of 2021. By the end of 2021, we are going to see a very competitive set of comparable offers across all three right now. T-Mobiles get the coverings lead, Verizon's get the performance lead, just small coverage, and AT&T got a bit of mix. It's just a matter of time before they all gain that parity. Then mid-band 5G. Friend, mid-band 5G is like chocolate ice cream, a bit more advanced than vanilla, low band, yet not the most hyped of the different types of 5G. Mid-band is generally synonymous with the sub 6 GHz spectrum, as the FCC claimed mid-band 5G will range from 2.5 GHz, 3.5 GHz and 3.7 GHz to 4.2 GHz bands. Mid-band 5G spectrum is 5 times as wide as low-band spectrum, while mid-band 5G is wider than low-band 5G with more capacity to transport larger amounts of data. It can't travel as far. Buildings and other solid objects can affect higher range of mid-band 5G, although that permission issue more prominently impedes high-band 5G. T-Mobile gained use of the 2.5 GHz band from its Sprint acquisition, as Sprint already used mid-band spectrum for its 4G network. Verizon acquired mid-band spectrum during the FCC summer acquisition in 2020. Its bid included the use of citizen broadband radio services. AT&T has lagged behind with mid-band and will likely acquire this spectrum at another FCC auction toward the end of 2020. High band 5G millimeter wave. Friend, high band 5G is effectively the opposite of low band 5G. It can't travel far, but it has the super fast speeds that result from 5G most touted benefits. High band 5G correlates the strawberry ice cream, so it adds a distinctive flavor to that faster speed. The FCC claimed high band 5G will include 24 GHz, 20 GHz, 37 GHz and 39 GHz and 47 GHz bands. Just as a strawberry ice cream contains tiny pieces of strawberry, high band 5G includes an added surprise: millimeter wave. The spectrum between 30 GHz and 300 GHz that provides high speed connectivity and faster download speeds. These capabilities and waves high bandwidth and ability to carry more data between destinations have increased global interest in 5G technology. Millimeter wave is also the only type of 5G with potentially different use cases than the other flavors. For example, data centers may require millimeter wave for failover, as data centers are fed by fiber only because the medium is fast and reliable. Millimeter wave could support the level of performance and speed that data centers require more than low band or mid band 5G. Overall use cases wouldn't vary much by spectrum type. Verizon and AT&T launched their 5G offerings with millimeter wave, offering 28 GHz and 39 GHz respectively. T-Mobile is working on its millimeter wave offerings and will expand its availability over time. Still, all three US carriers will offer all types of 5G by the end of 2021. One of the biggest challenges with high speed 5G for both carriers and enterprises in millimeter waves line of sight travel, which limits how far the frequency can travel. For example, even a heavy rainfall could impede waves because of the limitation. Proper installation will be critical for an organization successful 5G deployment. If all we had to rely on was millimeter wave, that would be a problem. But what we are seeing is newer technologies enabling 4G and 5G to work in the same frequency, that is called dynamic spectrum sharing. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.